single day, hundreds of thousands of people are hitting that apply button. You're sending out resumes, polishing your LinkedIn, and waiting and waiting and waiting. But for many of you, the phone remains silent. Or worse, when it does ring, it's a scam. In today's market, we are seeing a terrifying rise in fake job apps, paid placement schemes where they ask for money upfront, and consistency scams that prey on the frustration of job seekers. First, it is exhausting to be unemployed, and it's even more disheartening to be cheated. But what if I told you that there is a platform where every job is verified, a place where you can find government jobs, private sector jobs, and even international opportunities, all with zero application fees? We are diving deep into the National Career Service (NCS) portal. This is a 100% free official government initiative designed to connect you with legitimate employers. In this video, I'm going to give you a full live demo and show you exactly how to set up your profile in just 4 simple steps. So before we jump into the demo, let's clear up what NCS actually is. The National Career Service is an official mission mode project under the Ministry of Labour and Employment, Government of India. A common misconception is it's a government portal, so does it only have government jobs? The answer is no. While it does feature government vacancies, it is a massive hub for private sector jobs from MNCs to startups, international jobs, verified opportunities outside India. Work types: full-time, part-time, internship, and contract-based. Who can apply? Literally anyone. Whether you're a fresh graduate looking for your first internship, an experienced professional seeking a career pivot, or someone who has completed the 10th, 12th, or a diploma. There are vacancies tailored for every qualification. And the best part, no registration charges and no hidden charges after you get the job. Alright, let's get started. Pull up your browser and follow along with this live demo. Step 1 is registration. First, head over to the official website, which is www.ncs.government.in. On the top right, you will see 2 options: login and register. Since we are starting fresh, click on register. You will see a drop-down menu labeled registered as. So select job seeker from it. Next, you need to provide your unique identification, that is UID. You can use your UAN number, PAN card, or other official IDs. For most of you, selecting mobile number or Aadhaar card is the easiest part. Enter your date of birth and click check. Now the basic form appears. Fill in your name, gender, state, PIN code, and once you submit, you'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number or email. Enter that code and congratulations, your account is created. You will receive your username and password via SMS or email. Registration is just the door. Your profile is what gets you through it, right? So let's see step 2, profile creation. Log in and click on view or update profile. This is where you sell yourself. So fill your education history and skills. And if you're interested in working abroad, make sure to toggle the international jobs option to yes and select your preferred countries. You can choose multiple locations. Next, step 3, job search and matching. Now that your profile is ready, how do you find the right job? There are 2 ways to do this. Manual search is there. Use the search jobs tab. You can type in keywords like marketing, software developer, or accountant. Use the filters for location and salary to narrow it down. Step 4 and final, how to apply. Direct versus redirect. This is where most people get confused, so pay close attention. There are 2 ways your application is processed on NCS. Method A is direct apply. When you click apply, your NCS profile is sent directly to the employer's dashboard. You don't need to leave the site, it's seamless. Method 2 is redirect apply. Many big companies or government bodies require you to apply on their own official website for security. When you hit apply on NCS, a disclaimer will pop up saying you'll be redirected to your partner's website. So don't be alarmed. This is normal. NCS is simply acting as the verified bridge. Once you are on the company's site, complete their specific form. So let's look at the live example, okay? I'm searching for marketing in Bangalore. I see a sales executive role. I can see the job ID, salary, and the last day to apply. I click apply, the redirect notice appears and it takes me to the official corporate portal. I fill in the remaining details there. Done. That's it. After you apply, you can track everything under My Applications tab on your dashboard. The NCS portal is a gold mine for anyone from a 10th pass student to a seasoned executive. So if you want a part 2 of this video where I explain how to use the employment exchange features or how to apply specifically for international roles, just let me know in the comments below. Just type NCS part 2. So if this video was useful for you, please like, share and subscribe to Boss Wallah English YouTube channel. Let's help each other stay safe from scams. I will see you all in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.
Boss Wallah. Be the boss.